Hey guys, today I have a haul and let's just get started. Some of it you will see I've used a little bit because I've been testing them out for my Instagram reviews. So first thing I have is from the Trend company, and this is from by Trend. This is the Mandelic Acid 5% Skin Prep Water. So it's like a exfoliant but in a very gentle way. It's an exfoliating water. So I've been using this. You can see I've used this and I really like it so far. And from them I have the brand Claire's Dear Claire's Midnight Blue Calming Sheet Mask, and they sent me 5 pieces. I've already used one, and if you know from my sheet mask collection, I have the front and the back divider, which means that the front is for everyday use and then the back is for luxurious mask or mask that I'll use before an event the next day, and these are going to the back. These are going to the luxurious ones because I really can see an effect the next day, but I've only used one so far. I really like it. It's for Pore Care Cooling Effects Bamboo Charcoal Sheet. I really like Claire's and Trend products in general. Next thing from Rimmel, I got the Magnify Eyes Spice Edition eyeshadow palette. So as you can tell, this looks like some other palette that's already in the market, and a lot of people have been saying that this is a very good dupe for Urban Decay's Naked Heat. This is how it looks like. There's a brush that comes with it, and over here you can do neutral everyday looks or you can go a bit more bold, and I've done two kinds of looks. I will insert my Instagram photo here, and let me just swatch a few shades. I think I will swatch like the pop effect kind of shades, like this glitter shade over here, and this one, and this. So I haven't really go and shade match each one to the Urban Decay Heat, but I was really interested in the Urban Decay Heat palette. But now that I have this, I feel that it's good enough and I'm happy enough. I don't need to go and purchase another one. I've gone ahead and removed the swatches because I know that the shadows have fallouts, but it has already stained my hand. So it's like good and bad. It's very pigmented, but there's fallouts. So this just random thing just showed up in my mailbox. It's just from Dove, and it's the Gentle Cleansing Body Wash. It says it's a 7-day trial, and it also comes with a coupon at the back. So yeah, I'm gonna use that. I just don't know where it came from. So now I have a box, and this box is from Hicharis. I love Hicharis because they always send me stuff, and this is from Korea. That's why everything is so well wrapped. So this is the information, and this is the lipstick, and I'm gonna open it up. Okay, so I have 4 sets of lipsticks, all different shades, and I was wondering why there was 2 inside. So it turns out that each set comes with a free lip sheer. Not too sure if the screen is showing up there, but this white color smaller one is the lip sheer. And let's just see what is the discounted price. I'll leave my link down below. My discounted price is $30 and the original is $36. They are all in the Lipstick X Matte formula. So first up, I'm gonna swatch Depressed Nude, and the packaging is so sleek and it's just so pretty. So this is how it looks like, Depressed Nude, and I'm gonna swatch it over here. It is showing up more like a pink instead of nude, but I really like this color, and it doesn't have much of a scent, nothing too overpowering, just a slight sweet scent, and I find that it is very creamy. Next up, let's try and swatch the lip shell. I wonder if the lip shell has any color. Oh no, it doesn't have any color, although it looks like it is a purplish color in the tube. Next shade I'm gonna be swatching is Hollow Nude, and let's just put it over here. Oh, this is really creamy too. This is more like a purplish kind of nude. I'm sorry that my swatches are so ugly, but this has rose and purplish tones to it. Next up, this is Gloomy Nude, and it is a darker color. Definitely a burnt orange to me. Next up, we have Sensitive Coral. The name is so funny. And this is a slightly pinkish coral, and they all are really creamy, although they are matte formulas. Next package from St. Ives or St. Ives, I'm not too sure how to pronounce it. I've been using their body wash for a really long time now, and I've repurchased multiples of it, but I only like the oatmeal and almond. I think so, the white color creamy one. But now I finally get to try out their face stuff, and it comes with this, which is a headband. So it just wraps around your head. I'll insert a picture over here of how it looks like on. And inside here, it comes with a gentle smoothing oatmeal scrub and mask. And I really like that you can leave it on as a mask because I really like to put on wash off mask. This is a really generous size, and this smells amazing. Yes, I can already smell it without opening it. And inside it just comes with some tickets, because they're having this competition where they're giving out, they're gonna send you to California if you are shortlisted. So do check out their Instagram. Next up, from a brand that I've been really wanting to try, and it is Pixie, and I have some of their skincare here. Next up, I really want to try out their makeup too. So there's 4 things inside here, and I've already tested them out for my Instagram review. And the first thing is the Glow Mist with propolis and argan oil. As you can see, I've used it. You're supposed to shake it to mix, and then you just mist it all over. And this was the thing that I was most excited for, but I think I had too high expectations. I do really like it, but not on top of makeup, but below makeup. It gives a very good glow when you use it before you apply makeup. And it also comes with the Overnight Glow Serum. This is how it looks like, and it is one of those that gently exfoliates to reveal a healthier and more even skin tone. So the consistency of this was really strange. It's really thick and chunky, but when you blend it out and put it onto your face, it sinks in so fast. Next thing, this is the number 2 favorite, and this is the Jasmine Oil Blend, and it's Jasmine and Evening Primrose. It's a Radiance Recovery Oil, and when I heard oil, I was like, no way, because I put this on before I go to bed, and I did not want it to like be so heavy and greasy and get onto my sheets. But no, this is really good, but just don't use too much. Just use just the tiniest 1 little drop, and it sinks into your skin. And I did not like it, but my skin loved it. And the next day when I woke up, my skin was really moisturized. So I've been using this a lot. And the next thing is my ultimate favorite, and I guess I kind of already know that I would like this, because this is a Glow O2 Oxygen Mask, and I generally like this kind of bubbly oxygen mask. They work very well for my skin. So this is a bubbling brightening boost, and I've already used. It feels so light now because I love it so much. I keep using it. I use it once every 2 to 3 days, and I use it when I have an event the next day, because this really helps to revive my tired skin. And it's just, they even say here, perfect before a big event or makeup application. I really like this. If you can only try 1 product out of this 4, definitely try this out. Okay, next up, another big box. This is from Taiwan, but this is an American brand, and it's a really heavy box. So I've already kind of taken them out of the packaging to make it faster. So I've already started trying out some of this, and I'm going to start off with my favorite. This is the B3 and B5 serum. As you can see, I am down to here. That's how much I like it. I've been using this day and night. It's really good for repairing and moisturizing my skin. I wouldn't call this like a very good moisturizer, but definitely good for repairing my skin. Another serum that is sent over, this is the bioegf serum, moisturizing, reduce wrinkles and boost healthy complexion. I've used this a little bit, but I definitely prefer this a little bit more. And they also sent over some sunblocks, and this is the UV Shield. They all come with SPF 50, so they look around the same, and they kind of work around the same too. They have the same kind of ingredients, but I just generally prefer the green one a little bit more. This says UV Shield Nature, and this just says UV Clear. So the green one I've been using every day before my makeup, and I've used like so much of it. I only have this part left. And first you shake it up, and then you just squeeze out a little bit. I tap it into my hands and I blend it out, and I find that it helps to even out my skin tone, so I can use lesser foundation, which is definitely a good. So the next thing that I have is this huge tub over here. This is for brightening. It's a jelly mask, brightens and lightens for luminous complexion. This is 500 grams, and this is like a wash-off mask. All you have to do is apply a thick layer, thus the big size. They tell you to be generous with it to cleanse skin, and then you leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes. You can remove the excess gel with a spatula. The spatula is inside, and then you just wash off the remaining. So I've used something like this before, and I really like it. It does take a while because it's 20 minutes minimum. It is a very thick consistency, so definitely remove first. Don't just wash it into your drain, and it definitely gives me results. However, if you can only purchase 1 or 2 items, I would definitely recommend the B3 and B5 serum, and also the sunblock, which is the UV Clear. I really like these 2 products. Okay, moving on. I know what this is, and I think it's actually brass. So let's open it up and take a look. I just got really basic colors, black and a nude color. I really like the teen straps, and it comes with 3 clasps at the back, and they are padded because honestly I'm really flat, so I'm gonna get any padding I can get. and this is the nude color ones, and it says 7 styles, which means you can do a cross bag, and maybe this is also long enough for a halter neck. I'm definitely gonna try it out. Last 2 packages, and I have one that's really heavy over here. I've cut it open, but I have no idea what is inside, so I know this is from Hicharis too, and I will leave my link down below if you want to check it out, because everything that I have in my link down below is all discounted prices. Oh my god, there's so much items inside here. So let us dive into this and take a look. So the first thing is all wrapped up. This is from the brand Hicharis, and I've heard that they are really famous for a bar soap. So this is the Hicharis all-in-one H2 soap, nano bubble up. Okay, any kind of bubble is always good for my face, and it's a cleansing soap. It has coconut oil, avocado oil. Sounds like it's gonna be very moisturizing, and I'm almost out of my cleanser, so I'm gonna switch to this bar soap cleanser after that. And then there is this from Rohs. It's the micro needle roller system. Not gonna lie, looks really scary. I'm definitely going to be watching some YouTube videos before I dare to use this, because I'm not sure what it is, so I definitely need to do my research. So it says here I have the 0.25 mm. 0.25 mm is good for slender lines, cell regenerations, and hair regeneration regrowth. Everything else inside the box is from the brand Dr. Jamie Lab or Dr. Jimmy Lab. Not very sure. So the first thing that I have is the Proteol Ampule, and this is, it comes with extracted from the nose of salmon. Helps with stabilizing substructure of skin with its own function. Well, for a product that says comes with salmon extract, it smells really good. It smells like perfume basically. So it looks very lightweight, and I like stuff that helps to stabilize the skin, which means that it won't agitate my skin. Next thing, yes, I've heard so much about this. This is their very famous product. It's the Medeka Intensive Calming Gel. So this helps to relieve your mild skin irritation, leaves your skin calm, especially after I remove my makeup. And I find that Medeka products, they are really good for my acne scars. So this is how it looks like. It's good for calming, moisturizing, and soothing. Next item I have here, it's quite heavy. This is the Doctor, of course you already know the brand. This is the frozen jelly and capsule mist. I've seen a picture of this before. I think this is one of their famous products too, and it's so pretty inside. It's a gel type mist. I really like gel type mist. There was this grapefruit gel mist that I used. It sounds really strange because it is gel, but it is so good for my skin. I really liked it that time. This is a gel type fine mist with camellia oil capsule for dewy, glowy, luminous skin. Okay, last thing in the box. This is definitely some sheet mask, and it's really heavy. Wow, this is the W2 Step Facial Mask. It's for wrinkle white. Okay, so there's 10 pieces in this box, and they have the function for whitening and anti-wrinkle. So for step 1 over here, it is the Double Complex Smile Zone Patch. So it's a set. You can put it under your eyes, or you can put it on your smile lines. I think I'm definitely gonna try my smile lines. I don't even smile, but I have smile lines. So ridiculous. And step 2 over here is the Double Complex Black Mask. So you can leave them both on for around 10 to 20 minutes. Okay, so the last bag that I have here is from Vichy, and I've tried out their vitamin C serum before, but now there's something else inside here. So it's for isotonic hydration. Okay, so it comes with a H2O and also a H2O towel. And this is the item itself. This is the Vichy My Skin Health. It is such a pretty box. Okay, so it says, "Dear Maggie, hope your year has been going great, So what they're introducing today is the Mineral 89, and another product is the Aqualia Thermal Isotonic Hydration. So this is how it looks like. Comes with some product information, and this is the Mineral 89 product. It says 7 days, bouncy, glowy, less sensitive. So it's a daily booster, comes with mineralizing water and hyaluronic acid. So this is how it looks like. It's a skin fortifying daily booster, which means I can use it day or night daily. And they say immediately you can see results, that your skin is smooth. And after 28 days, your skin is supposed to be more resistant, plumpy, bouncy, healthy looking. A lot of claims. I'm definitely going to try this and test it out. So the other product over here is the 48-hour isotonic hydration. This is the rehydrating gel. It's so pretty. It's another pretty bottle, and I really like Vichy items because they say that it is 97% original, and these kind of things are all very good for sensitive skin. It says immediately skin is refreshed, dewy and protected from pollution, and gives you 48 hours hydration. So whenever things say like 48-hour hydration, I like to use it below my makeup because an entire day of having makeup on your face makes it really hard for your skin to breathe. So if it can give me long-lasting hydration, this would be good below makeup. So that's all for my haul, and I already have some of these stuffs reviews up on my Instagram and more to come for the rest of these stuffs because I'm making a conscious effort to only accept things that I'm interested in trying out. So I don't want to just take them and then just put them in a closet. I want to take them and slowly try them out. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!